Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the arithmetic error and how we can handle the arithmetic error in Python. So let's understand about the arithmetic error first. An arithmetic error in Python occurs when an error is encountered during the mathematical operation. This can include errors like division by zero, overflow, underflow, or any other numeric computation issue. Imagine that you are trying to divide a pizza among friends, but you mistakenly try to divide it by zero friends. That's impossible, and it would lead to a confusion and make a program encounter an arithmetic error, right? Consider a scenario where you are calculating the average speed of a car. If the car has not moved, then the distance is zero, and you are trying to divide the distance by the time taken. So you have not moved your car. Your car is standing at a place for almost 2 or 3 hours, and you're trying to achieve or calculate the average speed. Then you will face an error. So you will handle a division by zero error. To handle such scenario gracefully, it's essential to use the exception handling to catch these errors and respond appropriately, such as by notifying the user or using default values. So let's say that we have two variables, saying that variable 1 equal to 10 and variable 2 equal to 1. Okay, now if I put variable 1 divide by variable 2, it runs and you are getting the output. What if I put variable 2 as 0, and now if I run it, you can see that we are getting zero division error. Okay, and this can happen when you are taking an input from the user and you're expecting a numeric value and the user has given 0. In that case, you will get this zero division error. Okay, and to handle this kind of issue, what you can simply do is that you can simply put this mathematical computation in the try block, saying that try this computation. If there is an issue or if there is an error, you catch it into this except block, saying that I know that there can be a possibility that there will be an arithmetic error, right? So I'm putting arithmetic error, and then I'm printing the message saying that, hey, an arithmetic error occurred. You cannot divide a number by zero. Now if I run this, you will get this message. Okay, so what's happening in this code? In this code, Python attempts to divide 10 by 0, which raises a zero division error, a subclass of arithmetic error. So this zero division error is nothing but a subclass of arithmetic error. The except block catches this error and prints a helpful message. So by handling the error, the program avoids crashing and can continue running or prompt the user for correct input, ensuring a smooth user experience when they are running the code. So this is how basically you can use exception handling to handle arithmetic error in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.